We're here at Axe & Status in Milton Keynes and they're showcasing their suite of Durma machines. Durma Mechanical Shear Guillotine is an entry-level product, but the beauty of this product is the simplicity of programming with the touchscreen control. So this is a latest laser head from Precitech, full 12 kilowatts, but what it's also got is a variable focus, and also you can vary the size of spot on this laser. Moving on to the Durma press brake with automatic crowning, automatic R-axis, and again simplicity of programming, and you can program your machines by simply drawing on the screen. And the fibre laser where they're showcasing the bevel head. Carl, the Durma press brake. Now can you explain automatic crowning please?
Okay, so the automatic crowning that you see here on the side of the machine is automatically set by the control. As soon as you put the material thickness in there, it will automatically adjust the crowning for you to ensure you get a parallel fold.
And what about the R-axis automatic programming?
So the R-axis is another feature that is programmed by the controller automatically. It sets the height of the finger to the height of the job. So as you change tooling heights or leg lengths, the finger will automatically move to that position for you.
What about the laser feature that you have on this product, which is within the machine?
Okay, so the laser itself is there for our safety. It puts a point of laser directly underneath the tool, which means we can work very closely to the component without the risk of injury from moving parts.
Now, can you show me and illustrate how easy it is to program?
Okay, yeah, we can do that if we come over to the controller. On the controller, it's like using an iPad. We literally have to touch our finger onto the control, move across and program. Once we've got our basic form, we can go across to our profile, our tooling. It shows the tooling we have there. Select the order, it'll calculate the order, and there it is, job done.
Emre, your latest fibre laser, tell me what's special about it.
Special point is beveling head on the machine. You can cut minus plus up to 45 degree on the cutting head.
Impressive stuff, and also you can cut tube?
Yes, you can cut tube and pipes on the machine. And one of the newest point is new generation control unit on the machine.
Okay, so full touch screen, easy to use.
Exactly, 19-inch full touch screen, and you can control the machine very easily.
Excellent. We look forward to seeing it in action. Thank you, Emre. So, Axe & Status in Milton Keynes. Now, let's remember, they supply a range of machine tools, and those include Accuway, UMAC, Massa, Polygym, Target, Toscurim, Tuscan Savannah, Roller Eye, and of course, a suite of Durma machines. So if you need any of these machines, get in contact, Axe & Status, Milton Keynes.